everyone, welcome to Vagaro University. Today, I'll show you how to create a service. When you add a Vagaro service to your menu, you're also defining your business type with keywords in their names and descriptions. These keywords help customers find you and your services more easily in the Vagaro marketplace. Let's learn more about how to create a service with Vagaro. From the calendar, hover over Settings and select Service and Class menu. Under the Services tab, select the green Add button. We will need to create a category for our service to live in. For example, if we're creating multiple services called Women's Haircut, Men's Haircut, and Child's Haircut, we might want to create a category named Haircuts to better categorize our services together. Optionally, associating a color to this category will help color code our calendar when a customer books any service underneath this category. For example, if we choose pink when a customer books any of our haircuts, our calendar will reflect a pink appointment color that will tell us that we will be providing a haircut service. Once we're satisfied with our category name and color, select Save. Now that we've created a category, let's create a service. Under the Add button, select Service. Vagaro Service provides a variety of service title options to easily create and implement a service your business performs. Choosing this is the best way to define your business type. Custom Service allows you to create a custom service name that your business offers. For this training video, I'll choose Custom Service. We'll add our service name and a quick description that includes information about what this service would entail. Use Vagaro AI to spruce up your business description. We'll quickly drag and drop a photo or upload one from our library to provide a visual element for this service. We'll select a resource if this service requires a room, space, or tool to provide a service to our clients. For example, if our salon does not have designated styling chairs, we might want to assign them to later choose when booking for this service. If we want to keep track of how much it will cost our business to provide this service, we'll associate the price under Business Cost. Attach tax to the service. If we want to add additional service add-ons to be an option for customers, selecting Livestream would allow customers to join the service virtually. Selecting Mobile Service will let our customers know that we go to their location to provide this service. Adding cleanup time at the end of the service ensures enough time between back-to-back bookings for preparation. If we hide the service, this service will be hidden from our Vagaro landing page to be booked, but will be available to be booked in-house. If we show Service Only, customers will see the service title and description but will not see the service price until they get to the checkout to pay. Service and Price will show customers the service name, description, and how much the service will be. If you have varying prices for each service provider, selecting Show Price as starting point will show the lowest price the service is offered. Select which employee will be providing the service, associate a price point, how long it will take to provide the service, and structure your rewards program using the points given and redeemed sections. Once you're satisfied with your service, select Save. You've successfully created a service with Vagaro. For more helpful tips and tricks, click the Vagaro University link in the description below.